Today I'm going to teach you how to deploy a Lovable app in Netlify. This process will help you take your project live by connecting it through GitHub, making it accessible online. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to lovable.dev. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials. You'll be taken to your dashboard where you can see all your available sites. Select the site you want to deploy. Now look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the GitHub icon. Click on it to begin the connection process. A new window or dialog will appear. Here, click on Connect GitHub. This step is essential because it establishes the link between your Lovable project and your GitHub account, allowing you to sync your code. Next, you'll see an option that says Connect Project. Click on it and a list will appear showing your available GitHub accounts. Select your GitHub account from this list to proceed. You might encounter a prompt asking you to confirm the transfer. Go ahead and click Transfer anyway. This ensures that your project is properly linked to your GitHub repository. Once the transfer is complete, look again to the upper right corner and click View on GitHub. This will open your GitHub repository in a new tab or window, confirming that your project has been successfully synced. Now open a new tab in your browser and head over to Netlify. Once you're on the Netlify homepage, locate the left sidebar and click on Projects. This section houses all your deployment projects. In the upper right corner, you'll see a button labeled Add New Project. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Import an Existing Project. This option allows you to pull in repositories from external sources like GitHub. You'll be presented with several options for where to import from. Click on GitHub to proceed. Netlify will now display a list of your available repositories. Locate the project you just synced earlier from Lovable. If you have many repositories, you can use the search bar to quickly find it by typing the repository name. Once you've found it, click on the project or repository to select it. You'll now be taken to a configuration screen. Here, type a project name in the designated field. This name will help you identify your deployment within Netlify. Scroll down the page until you reach the bottom, where you'll find a button that says Deploy. Click on it to initiate the deployment process. Netlify will now begin building and deploying your Lovable app, which may take a few moments depending on the size of your project. And there you have it. You've successfully deployed your Lovable app on Netlify by connecting it through GitHub. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.